Guys, it is your girl Linda Sims of Let's Mess It Up Soul Line Dancing of New Orleans, Louisiana, and I am here to present the line dance Feel the Love. It's a classic. I call this a classic because it's an old dance. The artist is Lena. Don't know who the choreographer is. But if you're located in the New Orleans area and you're interested in line dancing classes, please call 504-251-0674. And I want to give a shout out to Linda Jordan. She reminded me about this line dance. We're going to do it at the NOLA Southern Experience, okay? So come on, let's go.
Took my Air Jordans on and hopped in the suit. Slip my motor gators on, baby stepping in boots. How you doing, pretty lady? My name is Drake. It's my first time in Chi-Town, I'm from LA. I just left Detroit on my way to VA. Stepping on the scene, feeling good, feeling great. Forget me, I'm used to see you walking, follow your lead. I got nice at the right speed, I'm a step full speed. Yeah, that's my shoulders off, I know I'm clean. Going sexy, yeah, that's what it is tonight. Smooth rhythm, no tripping, baby, watch me slide. Nationwide DJ, she's spinning records, it's right. I ain't slinging on board, but the hustle is strong. Had a sip of champagne, stepped all night long. Stepped all night long. Yeah, I stepped all night long.
I'm
that one. I forgot that was a good one, especially the instrumental part. So guys, thank you. That's Feel the Love. Go over here to check out the instruction, or if you want to learn the step-by-step instruction. Also, guys, I feel your love. I feel your registration coming in and your support and your love. Thank you so very kindly for registering for the NOLA Southern Experience, July 7th through the 7th through the 10th, 2022. We're going to take great care of y'all guys. If you're interested in attending, please visit our website to register on our website, to book your room on our website at www.lmiunola.com. My name is Linda Sims. I am the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.